This is the final part of my birthday series, and it's the most meaningful. Doing my makeup, installing this wig, it is more than a beauty routine. It is a moment to honor my growth, my glow, and everything I have overcome. This look, it is not just for the camera. It is for me, the woman I have become, and the one I'm still becoming.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
How is my installation and my makeup? Did I eat or I did not eat? Is it giving or it is not giving? Let me know in the comments. Like, you guys should rate me. I beg you, make you rate me.